The DFU-Copy command line option allows you to copy multiple data files needed for your query without having to start up or take resources away from your Roxie cluster. Using the DFU-Copy command line option instructs the system to use the DFU server and not the Roxie cluster to copy the data files. This can be particularly useful if you have a very large Roxie or some very large data files. An ECL developer will use commands like the ECL publish or the ECL package map add command to publish their query and copy over all their associated data files with just the one command. Some queries could have quite a few of these rather large data files that are required to copy. When you use these commands, it either spins up a full Roxie or takes resources away from a running Roxie to do the file lookups and then do the file copies. And then it still needs to publish the query, which can itself be a very resource-intensive process. While this is all well and good in a bare metal environment, there could be some drawbacks to using this method in a cloud environment. With many cloud providers, you can incur additional costs for such things as CPU usage, I/O processing, memory usage, file storage, and file transfers. As well as these potential additional expenses, there is also a time cost involved as you wait for the Roxie to initialize. As we mentioned earlier, when Roxie does the file copy as part of the ECL publish command, for example, it's done as a singular work unit. In that case, there's no way to reliably track the status of each of the individual files, which files have been copied over successfully, and if there are any errors or incomplete files. This is precisely why we developed the DFU-Copy option. By using the DFU-Copy command line option, you can eliminate many of these issues. Using the DFU-Copy option tells ECL publish command to use the DFU service instead of starting up a Roxie to copy the files. And the only copy files option then tells it to stop before actually publishing the work unit. Issuing the publish command this way will create a publisher work unit as a parent and spawn individual work units for each file to copy, which you can then check the status of each file you need to copy. Using the command with the DFU-Copy option gives you much better progress status information than when you have Roxie do the file copy. Using this method, you can deploy your data and you can verify that you have your complete data set and it's usable before you actually tax the Roxie and publish your query. And if not, you can redeploy your data using the DFU-Copy and the only copy files option before you publish your query. And that is how you can use the DFU-Copy command line option to more efficiently publish your query and better manage your cloud computing costs as well. If you like this video or if you learned something, hit the like and subscribe button and let us know. For the HPCC Systems Developers Series videos, once again, thank you for watching.